this is Neil from Multi-Fuel Cooking and Heating in Telford. We do Argos, Rayburns. We also do central heating, boiler repairs, boiler changes. I'm just doing a review for BrandX Soft on their SEO work, which is really excellent and very informative. Kevin is the guy that deals with me. He is really good and informative. Every month they give you a personal reply to tell you how your work is doing and how your rankings are moving up the grades. You also get a graph, all the charting to show you how their SEO work is going. I must rate them as 5 and excellent value for money. Thank you very much.